Hi guys, have you ever wondered why there are people who struggle to achieve anything in life and there are others who have everything laid out in front of them? Do you want a better future for yourself? Join me, Cosmin, in finding patterns we can use to improve our journeys, such as the 3 points of happiness, the chain of similarities, and others. Within yourself, you are energy. You are a force. A force that has a certain direction that travels through universe from A to B. You are part of this cosmos you travel with, and so the other things you interact and merge. Of course, there are forces who travel in the same direction as you and help you move forward, like friends and family, or by contrary, there are others that push you backward, like enemies and competitors. Imagine this is your river of life that flows in a certain direction. This is where it's important to be aware of your environment and look forward. This is where it's important to be present in the now and not dwell on past events which cannot be changed. Also, do not worry about the future and worry about things that haven't happened yet, as this will diminish our power to enjoy life. I'm not saying we shouldn't learn from past experiences and take our baggage of knowledge with us, our education. I'm not saying we shouldn't make plans. But regret and guilt are emotions which weigh us down and cause discomfort. This is where it's important to follow your river and not paddle against it, as you will just use your energy in vain. If we look forward, we can see opportunities or avoid conflicts and difficulty. If we look forward, we can stop and enjoy a small sheltered bay, for example, or we can avoid rocks coming our way. Even rocks are energy, stored energy, as Einstein said. I will give you an example. One of my friends and someone I admire a lot had to go through a difficult time, death of a loved one. Now, this is a mountain of a problem. How can you handle something like this? You can go around the mountain, away from your path, but coming back eventually. You can choose to go over it with a bit of effort, or the most difficult, to go through it. My friend is a very strong character, one like I've never seen before, and they went through the mountain. Maybe you can do it as well, but isn't it better to accept loss and mourn? The path to choose is your decision, either left or right, forwards and backwards, zigzagging or meandering, right or wrong. Any of the path you choose, I guarantee you will get to point B, just more or less damaged and tired, either happier or more satisfied with your path, or disappointed of not reaching your full potential. In nature, everything is in harmony, so follow the energies around you. Follow the natural, harmonious movement of the universe. Don't fight it if it doesn't hurt you. Don't destroy it, and be the consciousness human being nature designed you for. Did you like this video? Do you want to grow with me? Subscribe to my channel or show your support on my website on cforward.co.uk. Thank you.